This video is going to show you how to log into the Seesaw Class app. First, tap on the Seesaw Class app icon from the home screen. Second, tap on I'm a student. Third, find the direction sheet that was sent home. Read through the direction sheet. At this point, you're going to either need to choose to scan the QR code that's on the direction sheet with your iPad, or you will need to type in the text code that can be found on the direction sheet. You do not need to do both of these steps. You need to choose one or the other to do. I do want to make sure that you know that this text code and QR code is unique for your child, so that it should only be used by your child to join their classroom right now, and it should not be shared out. Step 4. Tap on Enable Camera if you chose to scan the QR code to join the class. Step 5, tap OK for camera access. Everybody needs to do this step whether you chose the QR code or the text code option. This is a very important step, as your child will be using a camera in Seesaw to demonstrate some of their learning. Step 6. Tap on Notify Me so that when items are added into Seesaw Class, you will see these notifications. Congratulations, you should be enrolled in your teacher's Seesaw class. Here is a sample student view. Yours will not look exactly like this. You should see your child's name up in the left-hand corner. You should see your child's teacher's name in the upper right area, and underneath the teacher's name, you should see the word student. If you have any questions about these steps to get logged in, please email your teacher. There will be further videos helping you and your student explore the features inside Seesaw Class app.